Welcome back. In this video we're going to see what are list comprehensions. List comprehension in Python is a concise way to create lists. It combines loops and conditional logic into a single line, making the code more readable and often more efficient. And the basic structure is the expression. So you have the expression, then you have the for, you have the item and the iterable. The expression is the value to put in the new list. The item is a variable representing each element in the iterable, like a list or a range. And the iterable is any collection or sequence you can loop over, such as a list, tuple, or a range. Now, let's say that you want to create a list of square of numbers from 0 to 4. You can do this with a list comprehension, but first let me show you how you'll do it in the traditional way. You'll have squares equal to a list, then I'm gonna loop for x in a range 5 squares dot append x times 2. Now if I let me go down here, let's print squares. So now if I run this, get 0, 1, 4, 9 and 6, but we have as you can see multiple lines of code. Let's see how we can achieve the same thing using a list comprehension. So let's comment this, and I will type squares equals to square brackets, the expression x times 2 for x in range 5, and I can type here print squares. So if I run this, we get 0, 1, 4, 9 and 16, and you can put this, I think, yeah, let me see, I can put this directly here, I think, I'm not sure. Let me run. So we have the same output using this list comprehension. Now you can include an if statement to filter items. For instance, if you want to only want the squares of even numbers, I can type here, let's hide the console, even squares equals to square brackets x times 2 for x in range 5 if x modulus 2 equals 0, so it's an even number. Let's print even squares. So if I run this, we have 0, 4 and 16. Alright, now, and this is equivalent to this. So if I'm gonna copy this, if I put this here, this line of code that you have here, actually can make it even shorter. You can delete this, you can copy all of this because this is an expression, it will return a value, you can put it directly here. So up here we did this with only one single line of code. So if I run this, you get 0, 4 and 16, which comes from this line of code. So let's delete this, let's delete this, let's also delete this. Now list comprehensions can also be nested if you're dealing with multiple loops. For example, you can create a list of pairs, tuples from two ranges. So I'm gonna type here pairs equals to square brackets parentheses x comma y, and I'll type here for x in range 2 and another for I in range 3. Now if I print this, print pairs, we get 0 0 0 1 0 2 1 0 1 1 1 2. So this is how we can create a list of pairs, tuples from 2 ranges. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here and I'll see you in the next video.